Understanding the phrase, run with the pack. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating English phrase, run with the pack. This phrase is not just a collection of words, but a window into culture and group dynamics. So, if you're ready to dive into the world of English idioms and expressions, let's get started. Run with the pack has a literal meaning rooted in the animal kingdom, particularly with wolves or dogs. When we picture wolves, we often imagine them moving together as a group or a pack. This pack moves together, hunts together, and survives together. So, to run with the pack means to move along with this group, being a part of their activities and routines. In everyday English, however, this phrase is used metaphorically. To run with the pack means to conform to the norms and behaviors of the larger group you are a part of. It implies going along with the majority, adhering to popular opinions or trends, and not standing out from the crowd. This phrase often carries the connotation of not questioning or challenging the status quo. Let's see some examples to understand how this phrase is used in conversations. 1. Even though he had different ideas, he chose to run with the pack and agreed with the team's decision. 2. As a teenager, it's common to feel the pressure to run with the pack and fit in with your peers. These examples show how the phrase can be used in various contexts, emphasizing the idea of conformity and group dynamics. It's interesting to note that the phrase, run with the pack, can have different connotations based on cultural contexts. In some cultures, being part of the pack and valuing group harmony is seen positively. In others, individualism and standing out from the crowd are more valued. There are variations of this phrase too, like, go with the flow, or follow the herd, which carry similar meanings. Thank you for joining us in exploring the phrase, run with the pack. We hope this video has given you a deeper understanding of not just the phrase, but also the cultural nuances it encompasses. Remember, language learning is not just about words, but also about understanding the context and culture behind them. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.